This is me here, as you guys can see. Okay. Talking about the ultimate, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Why you're doing keto? I mean, I'm sorry, I keep talking about fucking keto. Like, keto's my fucking best friend. Keto fucking talking about me and shit.
Roll with me, roll with me, roll with me, yeah.
Guys,
go with me.
Don't forget to subscribe to my fucking channel. Period. Like this video. Drop something in the motherfucking comments. Why not? Let's talk. Don't forget to follow me on the motherfucking gram. Why the fuck not, bitch? I want to be friends. Hi guys, so we are getting ready to jump into this video. I'm going to be talking about intermittent fasting and the different types of intermittent fasting and how intermittent fasting can help you lose weight. So let's go ready to jump into this video. You go 16 hours without no food. This also includes when you're sleeping, and you have an 8-hour window where you can eat, and within that 8-hour window you eat every 4 hours, and you're not snacking in between. And remember, you're having 1,200 to 1,500 calories for the day. Okay, so that's the 16 8-hour intermittent fasting. And let me just explain it to you guys a little bit more, right? And I'm gonna post some stuff here. I'm gonna post some things here so you guys can see. So let's say, for example, I'm not a morning person. I don't really give a fuck. But we're going to talk about you because this is about you. If you are a morning person, your first meal will be at 9 a.m. in the morning. And then you will wait 4 hours. So that's 10, 11, 12, 1. You have breakfast, right? Let's say you have eggs and bacon with a side of whole wheat bread. After you have that meal, you're not eating anything else until 1 p.m. So you eat every 4 hours. So, right? Your first meal was at 9. So we do 10, 11, 12, 1. That's 1 p.m. That's when your second meal should be. There's absolutely, I don't want to stress this enough, there is no snacking.
There is no snacking.
Absolutely no snacking. You cannot snack when you're intermittent fasting. Absolutely not. At 1 p.m. you're going to have, let's say you have lunch. So you have your lunch at 1 p.m. And then your next meal will be 4 hours. So that's 1 p.m. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would say between either 4 and 5, you can have your meal, or maybe like 5 to because it doesn't take long for people to eat. People usually eat within like 15, 20 minutes. So some like 5 to 5:15. 5:15 would be your last meal, and you would not eat anything else for the day. You cannot have no soda. You cannot have no chips. You cannot have no snacks. Once 5 p.m. hit, you're done. Like, that's it. Like, it's over. Like, it's over. You cannot, bro, like, you literally cannot eat anything. What you can do is drink water. You can drink stuff that has 0 calories, okay? 0 calories. This is not water fasting, by the way. Something totally different. We're gonna jump to that. We're gonna talk about that later in another video. But this is not water fasting. This is intermittent fasting, okay? And then that's it. So you don't eat anything. Your last meal would be at 5:15. I'm gonna insert the clock so you know, 5:15. And that's it. So you don't eat anything. So your fast would start 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means your next meal would be the next day again at 9 in the morning. So I know you guys are probably wondering, like, okay, what kind of foods can I eat? What kind of stuff can I eat while I'm intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, to be honest with you, it's not a diet. You can eat absolutely whatever you want to eat. I wouldn't recommend eating like shit, you know what I'm saying? Because if you eat like shit, you're not going to lose weight. I would recommend eating healthy. I would recommend, if you are really serious about losing weight, I would recommend doing a keto diet along with intermittent fasting, or doing a low carb diet, or just doing a vegan diet or plant-based diet. Sis, whatever works for you. Whatever's going to get the weight off of you, right? So that's 16-8. And then we have 24. So 24, not the number 24. 20/4. So that means that's another type of intermittent fasting. That means when you fast 20 hours, sis, you're bugging. No, you can do it. You can do it. So this is the second one. I wouldn't start with this one immediately. I would work my way up. The 24 is literally just like the 16-8. You go 20 hours fasting, and you have a 4-hour window where you can eat. Same thing. You have with the 16-8. You have a 16-hour window where you fast, and then you have an 8-hour window where you can eat. Now, as you go higher, you start to eat less, right? So the 24 is you fast 20 hours and you have 4-hour eating window. It's the same thing. You eat every 2 hours. No snacking in between. You eat every 2 hours. And the good thing about that is that you can have 2 big meals. So you can, let's say you want to eat about 1,500 calories. You can have about 850 calories for 1 meal, and that's a lot. 850 calories, like that's a fucking, I'm gonna show you what 850 calories is healthy, and I'm gonna show you what 850 calories is unhealthy. And then you can have another 850 calories, and that says that's right there, it's like 1,500 calories. That definitely will fill you up. It's just based on when, it's actually just based on when you choose to do it. And then they have the 5-2, and the 5-2 intermittent fasting method is just like the other ones I said. You go literally 5 days where you're eating regular, and you have 2 days out the week where you're eating between 500 to 600 calories, okay? Things that you can eat during your eating window, like that's what we call it. Like we call it your fasting window. You don't eat nothing. Your eating window, things that you can eat to be honest with you, it depends on what you like. You know what I'm saying? It depends on if you're on a diet. It depends on the type of person that you are, what you want to eat. I would recommend eating healthy. You know, if you want to lose weight, I recommend eating healthy. I recommend eating keto, right? So, like, not too much carbs. You guys can watch. I don't think I did a video on keto, but I think I have, like, some videos somewhere talking about, like, weight loss tips. So, you guys can check out that video. I'll post it somewhere up here about weight loss tips that you guys can use to lose weight. And I'll make sure I do a video on keto as well. Some little pointers that I would say personally. Sometimes you might fast. You might want to break it. If you do decide that you want to break it, or you feel like you need to eat something, because I know some people feel like, oh, I need to eat. You can't eat about 500 calories. I wouldn't recommend it. But if you really feel fucking sick, I guess times I felt really fucking sick and I had to eat something, and not necessarily that you will feel sick, but because you're shocking your body. Your body is not used to this form of eating, or this form of eating and not eating. So you're actually shocking your body, and especially if you're doing keto, you're shocking your body. You might end up getting nauseous. So some things that you can use if you get nauseous is to get some electrolyte powder. You can use some chicken broth, or I would put like some water, and I would get like some pink Himalayan salt. If I'm feeling nauseous, and I would drop like a little bit sprinkle of the pink Himalayan salt into the water, and I would just drink it, and it would stop me from being nauseous. Because I'm going to be honest, when you are not necessarily intermittent fasting, but sometimes you feel nauseous because you haven't ate anything for so long. But that's why I'm going to give you guys some tips. It's very important that you eat all your fucking calories for the day so you're not hungry. Like, eat all your 1,200 calories. Eat all your 1,500 calories. Eat all your calories for the fucking day. Eating window? Eat all your fucking calories, bitch. Eat. Like, this is not meant, like, I don't know why people fucking think like intermittent fasting is like you're fucking dying, you're starving yourself. Bitch, no, we eat, bitch. I eat. And I still lose weight. I eat, bitch. I eat. Like, ask my husband. I eat. Like, I fucking eat, okay? I spoke about that already, but you feel like you need to break your fast. You can eat something but 500 calories. Some kind of, like, a lot of times you can't really eat anything. So what are, like, I know you guys probably want to know, like, okay, what are some things that I can't eat? What are some things that I can't eat while I'm intermittent fasting? So one of the things that you can drink, because you can't eat nothing, but one of the things you can, anything that has 0 calories that have no hidden sugars. Like, it has to have 0 calories. So water, black coffee. Oh, I can't even have my coffee. No, bitch, you can't have your coffee. Black coffee, tea, anything that has 0 calories you could drink. But make sure that you're checking the labels and make sure it really does have 0 calories. And I think that's pretty much it for my intermittent fasting video. Let me see what time I'm at. So I'm at 26 minutes, okay? And I think I gave you guys a lot of fucking information. But that's intermittent fasting. If you want to fucking lose weight, start fucking intermittent fasting. You're gonna lose weight in a week. How much weight have I lost? I told you guys, I have lost about altogether 100 and something pounds. Like, I started at 314 and now I'm 204. So I lost about 100 and something pounds. How long did it take me? As soon as you start fasting, the first day, like the first 3 days, you could see a difference. Like, honestly, like your first week, you might lose like 15 pounds, but it's all in water weight. And then after you lose the water weight, that's when it starts, you know, grabbing the fat. Like, take this fat away, baby. You gonna take this fat, okay? You gonna take all this fat. We're gonna throw that shit in the garbage, okay? We're gonna speak all the fat being gone into existence, and we're gonna manifest all the fat being gone, because that's what we're trying to do. We're speaking things into existence. If I can do it, you can do it. Like, listen, you guys, you know, you see, this is me. This is me. I still have a gut. I'm a regular person. I'm just like you. You know, this is my body. This is me here. As you guys can see, this is me, you know. Intermittent fasting. You know, intermittent fast. It fucking works. You can see results as soon as you start. I recommend starting trying to see if you can fast 12 hours. I recommend trying to see if you can fast 12 hours. And if you can fast 12 hours, I would say then, you know, try 12 hours for like a week and then just try to see if you can fast 16 hours. And do the 16-8 method of fasting for about a month. The next month, try the 20 and then, you know, try to, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about, okay, so I told you guys about the 36-2. I think I forgot one. So, alternate day fasting. How the fuck did I forget about it? I'm about to end my video without, so I'm just going to do this real quick. Ultimate day fasting is literally, I eat every other day. And I eat every 36 hours I eat. So the days I eat are Tuesday, Thursdays, and on the weekends. I will be hosting a weight loss challenge right after the 4th of July. I will let you guys know the date. Probably starting like the 10th or the probably like starting like the 12th or something, or the 11th, probably that week. The challenge is gonna be $5 to join the weight loss challenge with me and a whole bunch of different other girls to be part of the challenge. And you, of course, get to win $100. So, yes, I do alternate day fasting. I eat every 36 hours. This shit works amazing. Like I said, I have lost a lot of weight. I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, bitch, don't forget to subscribe to my fucking channel. Period. Okay? Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop something in the motherfucking comments. Why not? Let's talk. Don't forget to follow me on the motherfucking gram. Why the fuck not, bitch? I want to be friends. I don't fucking bite, bitch. Maybe I do bite. But I love you guys so much and I appreciate you. Mwah.